The SafetyHub 150 from Blue Sea Systems simplifies circuit protection and power distribution, keeping your systems safe and ready when you need them. Designed for outboards and small inboards, it combines ignition-protected fusing, high-amperage distribution, and 24-hour circuit protection in one compact, waterproof hub mounted close to the battery. Inside its IP66 rated enclosure, 4 MIDI AMI fuse spaces for high current loads like windlasses, 6 ATO ATC slots for accessories, plus a negative bus to reduce wiring complexity. It also protects the 360 panel feed wire and, paired with the ST blade fuse block, consolidates protection into just 3 locations, saving space and simplifying troubleshooting. Pre-wired for fast installation with labeled circuits and a clear cover for easy inspection. The SafetyHub 150 meets ABYC, USCG, and CE standards, and withstands harsh marine environments. SafetyHub 150, compact, rugged, engineered for marine reliability. Blue Sea Systems, relentlessly reliable.